Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss smoothie video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your metabolism, and that's by using these wonderful, powerful ingredients. Now, this is a powerful smoothie. It's going to help to get rid of the stuff in your belly. It's to slim your belly down, okay? And it's promoting weight loss. Easy and delicious smoothie, okay? So we're going to be working with some really serious ingredients today, and I'm going to show you why. We're going to be working with some coconut oil, okay? I have a teaspoon in here. You're going to need your blender. All right, we're going to be working with some peaches. We're going to be working with some coconut milk or almond breeze milk, whichever one is fine. I'll be also working with some chia seeds. Okay, I also will be working with one full banana. I have it in my cup already, as well as a cup of pineapple chunks, fresh pineapples. You can also use frozen if you desire. Now, to help with the boosting of the metabolism, I'm also going to be using some of my Irish moss gel. Okay, healthy, healthy, healthy. Please look down below in the description bar for the video on how to make this wonderful Irish moss gel, and the links will be in the description bar also for where you can buy your own Irish moss. Okay, so let's get started. Now, you're going to need a blender. So to start off, now we're going to be using 1 cup of milk. Okay, put that in your smoothie cup. Okay, I'm also going to add in the 1 banana, okay, as well as the 1 cup of fresh pineapples. Okay, now for the peaches, and you can use fresh or frozen, but you're going to need 1 cup of peaches. Alright, just add that in there. Now I'm also going to add in my 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my chia seeds. Okay. And lastly, for the Irish sea moss gel, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of gel and pop that in there. Okay. And now we're going to blend this up. Alright, so now it's time to blend this up. Okay, you guys, and there you have it, this wonderful, powerful weight loss smoothie that's also going to help to boost your metabolism. So there it is, your wonderful metabolism booster, energy booster. This is going to boost your body up, get it ready, so this way you can shed that weight. This is going to help those slow metabolisms for some of you who are suffering from a slow metabolism, and this is going to help to boost you up so your body can burn some calories and burn that weight off, okay? So pop your straw in. Very delicious, and if you use frozen fruits, you will have that nice chill. Okay, so don't forget to use this in your arsenal. Blend this smoothie as much as you need to. You can do it as a meal replacement, which I suggest because it is thick. It's going to fill you up, and the chia seeds is what's going to help to fill you up. This is great for digestion. This is great for, I'm telling you, you will see weight loss, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these wonderful video ideas, meal ideas, weight loss ideas with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check down below for these wonderful items. For your NutriBullet blenders, I have links down below. For the metal straws, reusable straws that comes with its own cleaning brush, I have links down below. So don't forget to check down below. For the Irish moss as well, I have links down below. Alright? So thank you for joining me. And don't forget, you guys, your big sis and auntie loves you. And I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.